This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off live notifications on the Instagram app. Normally when somebody goes live on Instagram, it will send you a notification that they're live. That is enabled by default, but there is a setting where you can turn that off. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To turn off live notifications, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings. Then you will tap on Notifications. And then you will tap on Live and Video. And from right here, this right here is a setting that you need to disable in order to turn off the live notifications. You just toggle this off. Now you will not receive live notifications. That is how you turn off live notifications on the Instagram app. Thanks for watching.